Okay. Hi, I'm Riley. I'm currently sitting on my floor, up right next to the window to get the lighting best in here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, glowy summer makeup routine. Thanks. Okay. First I'm gonna do primer. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. There's the original one. I'll put that all over my face. You can probably hear boats going by in the background because the water is like directly across from me. I'll show you guys after. So then after, I'm gonna use this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. Looks like this. And it's very watery for some reason. I'm gonna squirt that into my hand. Like that. Put a little bit all over. I try not to pan my face because I don't want to get wrinkles. So this gives a little bit of color that matches the rest of my body. And I just blend it in with my hands. And down the neck and on the ears. And this has sunscreen in it, so it's good for summer. I believe that is all blended in. Okay, next up I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Looks like that. I'm not going to use too much because this is a little bright. Pull it under my eyes. A little on my eyelids. And then I'll take a brush like this one from Real Techniques, and just, you can also use a finger. That's what it looks like currently. Next, I'm gonna go in with contour, cream contour. I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in Toast. I like to put some on my eyelids just to give it some color. I'm just using like a stippling brush, blending that in. And then I'll go in with this brush again and go over that. You can also use a beauty blender. And go in with this NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick. This just has some shimmer in it. And I'll just blend that in. Any excess I'll put on my jawline. Now I'll go in with cream highlight. And I use this Too Faced You're So Jelly highlight in the color Gilded Champagne. And I just use my finger. And you really don't need much. Then I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot Translucent Setting Powder. Looks like this. I'll just take a fluffy brush, put that under my eyes. And just pat some around my face. I look super ghostly right now. I don't know why. I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution Intensely Pigmented Foil Shadow Palette. Foil Frenzy. Okay, and the color I'm gonna take is, I think I'm gonna go with this pink one right here. I'm actually gonna go with this one. I'm gonna just use my finger. Then I'm going to go in with mascara. I'm going to use this Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara. So the mascara's done. I'm going to go in with, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm going to use this Essence Make Me Brow. And just brush up my eyebrows. Then I'm going to go in with setting spray. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Soothing Aloe Mist. Sorry. After that, I'm going to use this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I'm just going to fluff them up a bit. Then I'm going to go in with this Pixie Glow Mist setting spray. And then for lips, no, it tastes good. For lips, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Lip Perfection lip pencil in Seduce, and I'm just going to outline. Okay, then I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Gloss Topper. Not that. Okay. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.